Welcome to Momma Soul Kitchen. Today we are making Bruschetta Pizzaz. So what we're going to do is we have spinach, tomatoes, marinated mozzarella balls, and what we did was we already put our basil pesto sauce onto sourdough bread that has been cut into different shapes and been toasted already under a low broil. Stay tuned. The next step is we're going to season it with Momma Soul seasoning over the basil and the mozzarella and the pesto. Putting on Roma tomatoes. And the last step is putting on some more of Momma Soul Kitchen seasoning. And remember, this is no salt added into our special seasonings that's available on our website. And this is going to be the finale, and then we're going to put it under the broiler until nice and crispy. And the bruschetta is ready. The cheese has melted. The spinach is wilted, and the tomatoes are just perfect. Remember, don't indulge, just enjoy. See you next time.